Hello Ride-On people. Some people have already been asking me where Timmy the T-Rex is. Tim the T-Rex normally sits here, and he is my lucky charm. He's been on my bike the last 15,000 miles and kept me sunny side up. So people were wondering whether I let him go with my RX100 GS when I traded it in. Well, fear not. Timmy the T-Rex, he's back. Oh yeah, back in his rightful place. Hopefully it'll keep me sunny side up for the next 15,000 miles and beyond. So do you have any good luck charms on your bike? I'd like to know. Put them in the comments down below. Or if you have a specific name for your bike. This new RX100 GS Adventure, he's called Fritz, after Mr. Fritz, who invented the boxer engine or a post twin way back in 1923. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you soon. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I really appreciate all your feedback and support for the Ride-On channel. I hope you're already a Ride-On subscriber, but if not, please subscribe straight away. And last but not least, ride often, ride carefully, ride on.